Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Citrine by Tri Pointe Homes near Skye Canyon. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is the Plan 4, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on this channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Citrine by Tri Pointe Homes near Skye Canyon. It's technically not in Skye Canyon, but it's really close. Guys, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the northwest side of Las Vegas. You guys, we're about 21 miles away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. It's about a 35 to 40 minute drive to get there. Okay, this community offers 4 different floor plans. The floor plans range from 1781 square feet all the way up to 3,539 square feet. Now that plan 1 that you're seeing, that's going to be the only single story floor plan in the community. But yeah, the base prices are going to range from $499,000 all the way up to $630,000. Once you see base price, just know if you want an accurate total, you have to add in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades. Okay, so lot premiums here for the standard lots, they're going for they're actually not charging anything for standard lots right now. It's going to be $0, but depending on the lot size, it could go up to about $10,000. Okay. Now, as far as the upgrades go in this community, so what I was told actually is they're putting about $75,000 to $100,000 worth of upgrades. Now, the way the community is working out now is it just opened a few weeks ago. They're doing right now, they have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 construction. Quick move-in home, spec home is going to be done December. Phase 2 is going to be done in January. And then phase 3 is going to be completed in March. Okay, so if you want to do any customizations, most likely you'd have to go with a phase 3, because then you'd still have like the option to choose some of the interior upgrades and whatnot. The ones that are completed in December and January, they're picking out all those options. Okay, another thing you guys should know about the community, $69 a month is the HOA. Okay, and that's it guys, no SIDs, no lids. And what the $69 a month includes, it includes the you're gonna have a community pool here, you're gonna have a park, it's gonna be gated, and you're also gonna have a dog park. Okay, so that's a lot for $69 actually. The average lot square feet here is gonna be about 52 by 85, so not the largest lots you guys, but you're gonna have pretty decent sized backyards. And as far as the community here, the Citrine community is going to be 82 homes. There's also going to be a townhouse community by Tri Pointe here. That's going to be about 125 townhomes. And then later on, they're going to add to this single family community another 55 homes. Okay, so let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Plan 4. Now the Plan 4 this is going to be the largest plan in the community, you guys. 3,539 square feet. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage. Okay, now guys, if you're building from lot up, you have the option between 3 different elevations, which I will show you guys on the screen. The elevation is just how the outside looks. Okay, paver driveways included, desert landscaping is included. Okay, super excited to show you guys this house. I think it's pretty cool. So I guess, yeah, what you're looking at, this is going to be elevation A. Yeah, let's take a look. So you're gonna have the 8-foot door right here, because you're gonna have the 9-foot ceiling. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, this is kind of what you see. Okay, you see the second floor. Straight ahead, you're gonna have the living room, dining room. You have your kitchen to the right. You're gonna have this flex space here, but they upgraded it to like a 5th bedroom. So here's take a look, guys. very open. Right here, you're going to have your coat closet. Okay, I think with extra storage space back here. Let's take a look. Okay, just goes to right about there. So dining room, living room, kitchen. And then right over here, you're gonna have your door to the garage. So it's locked, but you're gonna have your tankless water heater, your water softener loop. Okay. This is gonna be your bathroom, your powder room down here that the guests are gonna be able to use. Okay. I believe this is the included quartz countertop that you see. Everything else is optional right here. Okay, so we do have your coat closet. So we have some cabinet space right here. Now guys, as far as the flooring goes, because I always talk about it because flooring is always an upgrade that most buyers do. The included flooring, you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house except for the wet areas. So the wet areas, you're gonna have a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. The wet areas include the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and the entryway. So if you want flooring like this, or if you want vinyl plank, that's upgraded. And if you want it all throughout the first floor, that is upgraded feature too, okay? Guys, this is a beautiful kitchen. We have a nice long island, plenty of cabinets, okay? We got the waterfall island as well. It's got the Calcutta quartz. So that's the upgraded quartz. They even brought it up as the backsplash, which looks really nice. So yeah, everything that you're seeing here is upgraded, you guys. The homes will not come included. They won't include the refrigerator, washer, or dryer. You'll have like the GE appliance package, which will include like the GE cooktop, oven, as well as the dishwasher and the microwave. Okay. So right here we have the stainless steel single basin sink. Okay, so this is the pantry. So plenty of room right here. Okay, plenty of room. Now this is the upgraded center slider, guys. Another upgrade that I recommend, just because it looks really nice, guys. I mean, look at it. The slider takes up most of the wall right here. Okay, this is also upgraded stucco covered patio. So if you plan on, hanging out in your backyard a lot, I mean, that might be a good investment right there. Guys, look how nice it is over here though. Look at those mountain views. But yeah, when you move into your house, guys, the backyard, it's gonna be a dirt lot. Typically, HOA allows you to, give you about a year to landscape your backyard. Some of the other Tri Pointe communities I know, they give you about 6 months, okay? So. Okay, really nice. And this living room is actually really cozy. Really good space right here. All right, and I will show you this. So this is the optional bedroom 5, which they upgraded. If you didn't have this bedroom 5, it would be a flex space, and then you'd have like a, let's say, I believe this bath would not be here. Okay, so because this is a bedroom, they got to add the full bath. Plenty of space here. This is nice. Right. Again, guys, I mean, I personally recommend if you have the option to upgrade a den or a flex space into a bedroom downstairs, I'd recommend doing it just because a lot of buyers, they like buying houses with a bedroom downstairs. So it's great for resale purposes. Okay, so upgraded walk-in shower. Have a nice little black and white theme going on here. Stairs to the second floor. Okay, guys, look at that. As soon as you walk up, a couple things I like. I like that there's a lot of windows right over here, but also this is where your loft is. It's interesting. You kind of have to like walk around. It's kind of cool though, actually. Okay, so you'll have your primary bedroom right over there, with a laundry room right next to it. Okay, always making it easier for the person staying in the primary bedroom. Okay, and this is where we're gonna have 3 bedrooms right over here. But yeah, let's start off over here by the loft. So I kind of like this actually, that it's isolated. It's just a very unique look. Okay, so pretty spacious loft. Okay, also you're gonna have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan up there. Okay, looks like we do have the upgraded baseboards. Those will look like 5-inch baseboards. Your house is gonna come included with a flat corner edging. Okay, I don't know if this texture, I think this texture might be upgraded though to just like the orange peel texture. But yeah, guys, the included stair rail would actually be the pony wall. So the pony wall is just kind of like an extension of the drywall. Because there is so much stair rails here, so if you did this option, I mean, that could, you know, that could definitely be some pricey right there. So this is the first guest bedroom. Now these doors are 6x7 doors. Also, you do have 9-foot ceilings up here as well, okay? Okay. Now this room is narrow, so it's definitely longer this way. I want to say it's about 10 feet this way. Maybe like 14 feet deep. Oh, that's what it feels like actually. So that's a full-size bed, okay? Does have its own walk-in closet, which is great. Okay, check out the beautiful community. So you got this bedroom right here. So this is about 11 by 12, I would say. Now guys, if you're interested in a new build community, make sure you give me a call, guys, or at least let your realtor know that you're interested in new build community. You definitely want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit. Otherwise, if you show up on your own, or if you give them a call and you call them, give them your information, and they don't know you have an agent, they won't let you be represented down the road. You definitely want representation, because what we do is we look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives. We walk you through the process. And again, we look after your best interest. The new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new build, but we do for you guys. And plus, the new builds pay that realtor fee, so it's definitely a win-win for you. Okay, so this is gonna be the full bath, guys. Dual sink. Okay, nice upgraded cabinets. Actually, this might be okay, this is gonna be the included countertop for the bath. You also have your shower tub combo right here. Okay, so this is standard. Those black finishes are not standard. You could choose to have one of those glass doors if you'd like. If you don't want to do, you know, these curtains right here, or those shower curtains. So here you have your other bedroom. Okay, so this is about the same size. Okay, the pre-wired ceiling fan, remember that's going to be included in all bedrooms. The lights won't be though. Okay. So nice closet. It's not a walk-in closet. Okay. And then you're gonna have your thermostat right here, your Honeywell thermostat. Okay. So this is your laundry room. Guys, again, with your laundry room, none of this will be included. Okay, so washer and dryer you could buy at the store. None of these cabinets will be, but you can upgrade into this if you'd like. The smart panel box, this will be here. That's how you set up your internet router and your modem. Okay. Now welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, plenty of space. That's a king size bed, just to give you an idea of how it feels in here. Okay, beautiful shower. Okay, love the large window. Okay, so welcome in, guys. So to the right, you're gonna have your walk-in closet. Oh, this is very spacious, as you can see. Here, we'll look at a different angle. Okay. And then we have your upgraded walk-in shower, which is beautiful. Look at that. Really nice tile surround. You have his and her sinks. Okay. Wow, check that out. All right, and then you're gonna have your toilet room right over here. Okay, and you have your linen closet. All right, guys, but that's pretty much it for that video. Let me know what you guys think about this floor plan in the comments below. If you guys have any questions at all, especially if you have questions about the incentives this community offers, which they're really good, give me a call, guys. Until then, I will catch you guys on the next video.